Hello my beautiful friends, how are you? How are you doing? I do hope you're well. So I've come to make a video. The sun was shining and typical, it's now raining, so I'll have to put the lights on. So following on from my video yesterday, my girly pinky video with bracelets. So if you're new to my channel, I do have a website, a craft and jewellery supply website. And I do also have handmade jewellery. I've also got bought-in jewellery. There is a video why I've got my YouTube channel and anything that I make after bills, what it goes towards. I really need to stock up on some jewellery that's affordable for lots of people. So if you want to come and make some earrings with me, let's get going. Previously, using resin on the back just did not work, and it wasn't long before they would come apart. So today I wanted to try using super glue to see how that would work. So keep watching if that interests you, but you will also see the process behind it. Now you don't need very much at all. Got some earring display cards, and these you can actually put 2 pairs of earrings in. These are the earring posts. Stainless steel, and they've got a pad, they've got a flat pad on the top, and my sizes start at 3mm and they go up to I go up to 12mm. These are butterfly earring backs because of the shape. So these are the flowers, and there are lots of different colors. They got some lovely colours, greens. I like the blue, and I do like the purple, and I do like the pinks. So that's those. As I said, I'm going to try super glue today to see if it will hold better, but I've got to be very sparing, because ideally, I mean, here you can see the gap I've got. There's not a lot of wiggle room in these. So, and obviously the glue has got a tip on it, but rather than squeeze it out, I'm just going to turn it slowly upside down, and hopefully gravity will make it come out very slowly, I hope. So what colours shall we do? Blue and purple, and then we've got, I think I'm going to do, oh look, they're different. Those have got blue, those have got, okay. So we've got different pinks, haven't we? Oh look, those have got red. Oh, they are really different, aren't they? Oh, I didn't realise there's so many different pinks. I'll mix and match some. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. Okay, let's put these to the side. Let's do these first, the purple. So I've chosen 6mm rather than the 4. Let's see what these are like. Let's see. The only way you want to find out is to do it, isn't it? So we'll turn that upside down. Okay, so we've got one there. This is where my fingers get stuck on camera. That's come over a bit. Let me get a that's fine, isn't it? Right, let's let that dry. Oh, why did it look different? Just a tiny little bit we need, just tiny little bit. I'm just holding and then going around and mopping up any excess glue on them. Do you know, I've done it again. Oh, I'm hopeless. Sticking my fingers. Right, let's just put this on here. Oh, Claire, what are you like? So if you are very clumsy like me, this is the second time I stuck my fingers together, this time with a flower. You have to soak your fingers in very hot soapy water and very slowly move your fingers and they will come apart. Okay, I need to go under the water. So why does superglue need 24 hours to cure but instantly sticks to fingers? Superglue cures by reacting to moisture. It sticks to fingers instantly because your skin has abundant moisture and pores. In contrast, objects like plastic or metal are dry. The glue requires 24 hours to cure completely because it relies solely on slow atmospheric humidity to reach maximum bond strength. Hi everyone, I'm back. It's a new day. So here's the earrings. It's little pretty flower studs. I'm just going to turn them this way. Now on some of them you can see the glue behind. And when it comes to the listing on my website, I will state all the materials that I've used, and I will say about the glue on the back of the studs. So let's put them on here. Put some butterfly backs. So here are the finished earrings. I made 12 display cards of them. I've put them on the website for £2.50 just to clear them. I still think they're beautiful, but I'm not happy with the way the glue shows on the back, so they are sold as imperfect. Beautiful, but imperfect. So I do hope you enjoyed that video. If you can, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I've got lots of jewellery tutorials available, ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. Make sure you click on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care everyone, and as always, happy crafting.